Hey everybody, I just finished another video. These are more informal simply because I'm not trying to do some... Sorry, this... I have to hold the microphone because the stand is right here that I use for Twitch and stuff, and so it just feels so shoddy and silly. But hey, you do what you gotta do. Anyway, Outstation, trying to do updates now that things have gotten rolling a little bit. I got a lot of the core code stood up. A lot of the systems like choosing your ship, and I'll probably put footage in here of that happening, which will be cool. Choosing your ship and launching out into space to fight the first wave, and then when the wave is done, going back in and upgrading your ship and all that. That stuff is all there. It looks really ugly, and the pieces, the actual physical pieces aren't there, but what's important is the loop is there. Not only that, but I also got controller support set up. It's feeling pretty good. I think for the patrons, I'm going to put a build up that's just the ship with the controls and a target to shoot at, so I can maybe get some feedback from people about how the controls feel and what they would expect to have happen. Because right now I'm just doing it on my own, and I'm going with what I think feels good, and I know it's not there yet. So I think inviting additional feedback sooner than later is going to be great. So if you're a patron, keep an eye out for that. I would really love your feedback. If you're not a patron, you should be. This project's only been going for about 2 weeks, so I feel like I've been flying. Oh yeah, I'm working on the new ship. The first ship that you get as a new player, I'm trying to build the art for right now, so that way I can at least have something to do some screenshots with, maybe a bit more promotional stuff. I'm getting to the point now that there's actual footage there that I can start working with. I don't want it to be gross gray boxes for too long, right? There's some stuff that I put on Twitter and Instagram and all that, but it'd be nice to start doing some promotional things for it, and maybe start making enough art that I can get the Steam page stood up and start getting wish lists and that sort of stuff. But it's really been going pretty smoothly, and I'm pretty pleased with how things have been working out. So on the horizon, what's coming down the pipe here is more artwork for the ships, working on some of the bigger systems for like wave management and stuff like that. Nothing super sexy yet. It's not like I'm working on all the UI stuff and enemy ships and those sorts of things, like the art side that generates a lot of like pretty looking things, but we're getting there. We're getting there actually way sooner than I thought. And now that means I can start banging out a full schedule and really breaking down what's left and making it a little more granular into pieces that are a bit easier to understand and deal with. So that's what I'll be working on next. There's the info for that. I hope it was enjoyable and informative. I haven't done one of these in a while because I've been working on Welcome to the Game for like several months. The usual, check out the other videos on the channel. There's a bunch of different things there, and come by the Twitch stream. I'm doing this stuff live. If you watch that, you already know this stuff probably. It is from 1 to 5 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday. And I think that's the end.